5 Best Vacuums for Stairs 2019. Bissell 1985 Multi-Cordless Hand Vacuum. When cleaning stairs, the terrain is entirely different from flat surfaces. This is exactly why you need a vacuum cleaner that is not only designed to clean stairs in hard-to-reach places but can also be used as a standard vacuum too. The Bissell 1985 Multi-Cordless Hand Vacuum offers all this and a whole lot more. This highly portable vacuum cleaner is not only easy to control and maneuver, but it is also very precise no matter where you are cleaning. Since this bad boy is cordless, it does not matter whether your stairs are freakishly high, in an outdoor shed or a new house without electrical outlets yet, this vacuum will get it done. This is all made possible by the compact removable, professional 22-volt lithium-ion battery that allows you to do away with cord limitations. So, how is this small but far from humble machine able to reach such stupendous levels of precision? Easy, by using the right tool for the right job, of course. The manufacturer incorporates an exciting array of attachments that can be switched out depending on the surface, stain or debris being vacuumed. There's even an accessory designed for ridding carpets and upholstery of pet hair and fur. The fact that Bissell engineers made this vacuum to be as ergonomic as possible only makes cleaning much easier and fun. So, if you're tired of breaking your back dragging your 10-ton vacuum over your long flight of stairs, it's time to let technology step in and take all the hard work out of vacuuming. Seriously, you deserve it. Eureka Easy Clean Corded Handheld Vacuum 7.1B. A great little handheld to own. The Eureka Easy Clean is a powerful little vacuum that can easily take care of your stairs, furniture, and other nooks and crannies. Will easily get the dust, cat, and dog hair off your stairs and furniture. Once done cleaning, the canister can be easily emptied. With vacuums having short cords, you will come across the situation where to do the stairway. First you need to plug it on the ground floor to do the bottom part of the steps and then take it upstairs and plug it there to vacuum the upper part of the stairway. With the 25-foot long cord length you get with the Eureka Easy Clean, the plugging and replacing will not be a problem. It also has the brush roll-on/off option for use on the appropriate surfaces. Can hold quite a lot of pet hair and dust in its bagless bin. It's best to clean the filter with a brush when you empty the bin for optimal performance. A little on the heavier side if you plan to use it for longer cleaning periods. Shark Navigator Liftaway Professional Upright. The Shark Navigator Liftaway has powerful cyclonic technology which is very effective vacuum with powerful suction. This bagless upright vacuum lifts dirt from carpet and smooth surfaces with equal power. Dirt and pet hair are no match for the strong suction power, and this vacuum does not lose suction over time. The portable liftaway canister is lightweight and easy to carry, making the cleaning of stairs a snap. The Shark Navigator has a powerful HEPA filter that works to remove allergens from the air and keep them contained in the canister of the vacuum. A series of completely useful pet tools are on board the machine and can be used for any area that has pet hair and presents a cleaning challenge. These tools include the large Turbo Pet Power Brush, 8 and 24 crevice tools, a hard floor dust away attachment, and a dusting brush. It is simple to do regular vacuuming tasks and then lift away the canister to turn the unit into a handheld stair vacuum. The job of vacuuming will become fun once again with this machine that makes work fun again. Whole-Life Handheld Vacuum 6 kPa. This unit is perfect for those quick pet hair cleanup jobs. Whether you have one pet or more, pet hair can take over a home in not too much time, and a small handheld vacuum makes it simple to clean up pet hair messes. It is often a challenge to clean carpeted stairs, but a small handheld vacuum like the cordless Whole-Life takes the challenge out of this type of cleaning. The challenge of stairs and edges is removed with this handheld unit because it is light and easy to carry. Another advantage of this unit that makes it one of the best stair vacuums is that the user is not restricted by a cord. The entire unit has a separate charger and is plugged in when it is not in use. A single charge is enough to get the normal volume of cleaning done. The interchangeable tools make any job easy to complete, and they include the PowerRiad brush roll, the pet upholstery tool and the deluxe dusting brush. The PowerRiad brush roll ejects for easy cleaning and then reattaches to help you get the job done in no time at all. Shark Rocket Corded Hand Vac. While the presence of a cord on the Shark Rocket Corded Hand Vac, HV292, might signify restricted movement to some homeowners, particularly those looking for the best handheld stair vacuum, the small size, portable design, and numerous attachments mean that this machine is actually quite versatile. Users can easily transport it from stair to stair due to its lightweight body, but there is also the True Pet motorized brush for extracting built-up pet hair from carpets and upholstery, and the extended reach hose for cleaning out the tougher-to-reach crevices. As this is a rocket, there is also a sense of power to the machine with its 400W motor and promise to never lose suction. Suction and power does equate to noise and times, but this is seen as a small flaw that is worthwhile for the high-quality results seen on some really tough cleaning jobs. It packs a punch for a little handheld stair vacuum.